So over here, you can see that I have this particular file right here imported out onto the queue. If I want to actually go ahead and view the location of the source, then what you can actually do is you can right click right here and you can see that reveal source file is an option. Click on it and the Explorer window will open up right here with the folder, as you can see, and the file is highlighted. So you can see that it is under desktop under files right here. Apart from that, what you also have right here is the media browser over here on the left hand side. If you want to view the source file over there, then what you can actually do is right click on the file name and choose reveal in media folder, media browser right here, just like this, and it reveals it out right here. But let me just go around over here and select an output location, let's say for example, and then run the encoding right here. Then what happens is that you got the output file. You can now even get, like, let's say for example, you have this right here. You can right click over here and reveal output file is an option. And as you click on it, it opens up the folder of the output file right here, just like this, as you can see as well. So that is how you can go ahead and reveal out the source and output location inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.